Hi, all you jelly beans. Jelly bean here. I can tell my voice is really changing because I can feel the vibration in my voice that I haven't felt before. I'm wearing my Star Wars hat today. So far, I've been on for straight since January of this year. I took a 3 month break. In October 2019, I started my testosterone for the very first time. And then I believe I stopped 3 or 4 months before 2021. And then I started back up January 1st. So this would be my 5 months. January, February, March, April. 4 months on T straight, but counting the October 2019 to now, I don't know, that would be a long time. But I have noticed, my voice has changed. I'm not getting any receding hairline. I believe my dad, see, me, my hair's always been like that. My dad had a really nice set of hair. On my mom's side, I don't believe any of the males are balding. Unfortunately, my brothers, since they're half brothers, they are balding a little bit. I think it's kind of funny. Only my middle oldest. I have three brothers. I'm the youngest of all of them, and they're not balding. And for now, I'm not, unless I shave my head. And I can't find my pride hat, so I'm wearing this hat. And I have to tell you, I'm so excited for what's to come next. Like I've been watching Sam Collins. He is also a fellow trans man. He has been through top surgery. He's been on testosterone. I believe his last video I saw was 5 years. I don't know what else he's done, but I've been watching him a lot lately, and he makes some good points, and some of the things that his topics that he chooses are actually very interesting. But watching those and like the detransition videos makes me 1,000% positive that this is me. Like I knew when I came out, and now I indefinitely know that this is me. This is who I am meant to be, because this is how I feel. This is me. I felt this way all my life, pretty much. I mean, I've always wanted to be like my brothers. Not really a want, but it's like I needed to be like my brothers. I always got excited when I got to wear their old clothes. I chose to. My mom did offer to take me shopping to go get some girl clothes and whatnot, but she took me shopping and I got boy clothes. There was one time where I did get girl clothes, but that was me thinking that if it would make my mom happy, then I could do it. But now that I'm 29 years old, I'm going to be 30, I feel it is time for me to make me happy. I do have kids. I have 3 boys. One's a step child, but I claim him as mine because I've been in his life since before he was 4. The other 2, before I had my last one, I was actually going in to talk about transitioning, like starting testosterone, and they have to do a mandatory pregnancy test on transgender men before they can transition medically, or medicine wise, like testosterone. So the guy came back like, oh, I'm so happy that you found yourself. I'm so happy that you are taking this step forward, but unfortunately your pregnancy test came back positive. I'm like, are you sure? Because I wanted to have another child before I transitioned, and we were trying for months. And then the time when I wanted my IUD back in and to start transitioning is when my son decided, I'm going to be made, I'm going to be born. Nothing you say will stop me, which I was happy about. I was a seahorse, considered myself as a seahorse. Um, it's awesome that I was able to bring in a couple lives before I transitioned, because I knew I wanted to have at least 2 kids of my own. Um, and I wouldn't change that for the world. My 6-year-old, he kind of understands. My baby, he still calls me mom. I don't care. I even told my 6-year-old, no matter what I become, no matter who I become, I will always be your mother. I will always be your mom. That's not going to bug me, because a child needs a mom and a dad, in my opinion. And I'm the one that gave birth to him, so technically that would be my spot. But I know there's a lot of people that will probably see this and be like, oh, I disagree with you, this and this and this, this and this. This is my life, okay? My life, my decision. I don't care if my boys call me mom. I don't care if my husband calls me wife, because I know who I am. If somebody misgenders me, I don't care. It's my life. I know who I am. I'm happy in it right now. I'm working my hardest to the next step, which is top surgery, which was going to be my next topic, which probably be next video. I just wanted to make this short video of a little bit more about me, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, please. I'm trying to get up to where I can, influence a lot of other kids, adults, who are going through the same thing. Or if you like Pokemon cards, or crappy paintings, or crappy drawings, I think I'm crap. I mean, if you've seen my recent video, I drew that and painted that. But I have merch also right here. Jelly Bean is my merch. I am on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, all of those. I think I have some of them in my description area. Alright, well, there's a little bit more about me, and I will definitely make more videos about my transition and my life.